Hi, I'm Jada Burns, and I've been an Alabama educator for the past 13 years. I've taught eighth grade physical science for 12 of those 13 years. And ADI is a program and a passion of mine that I adopted around 7, 8 years ago that has just totally changed the way I teach. It feels more authentic than any other lab or scenario that I've ever been through, and it just takes my students to a deeper level. So, come to my session, and I would love to share with you how easy it is to build an electromagnet. Kids love to do this. It's very simple. It is low tech, low key. The supplies are easy to get your hands on, and we just have a lot of success with it. And as an Alabama standard, it is very important that students are able to hold this, to build this, manipulate it, and see what happens when they increase the coils, when they increase the battery size or the voltage. So if you are a passionate educator and you would love to get experience from a real teacher who is in the trenches with you, then please attend my session and we will have a good time and learn together. Thank you.